everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you the Dogecoin live price prediction. First of all, congratulations to all Dogecoin holders. If you are a holder of Dogecoin, so absolutely it's a celebration time, friends. Kindly celebrate it and click the subscribe button right now and like this video, friends. So as you know, today is the first day of new month and the Dogecoin entry in the new month as a very beautiful. As you can see here, only and only positive change occur in the previous last period, and now the currently at this time also a positive change occur in the Dogecoin, friends. So that's mean that the May month as the best month, lucky month for all Dogecoin holder, friends, because in this month the Dogecoin easily hit a $1 friends. Now if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel. I'm not joking, please kindly click the subscribe button, friends. Now same like that, if we look the price here at this time of Dogecoin, so 0.357868 USD dollar is the currently price of Dogecoin, friends. The market rank as about 6 is the market rank of Dogecoin, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Dogecoin. Oh my god, absolutely, friends, it's a celebration time. If you are a holder, celebrate it. As you can see, only and only jumps occur in the Dogecoin, and now they are in the jumping mode. So I hope that they take a high jump in the future, friends. If we look, the price change occur in the last 1 day, so the price change is a very nice positive 14.93%, and the highest price is about 0.369002 USD is the highest price of Dogecoin in the last 1 day, friends. The current price at this time of Dogecoin in the market at this time live 0.358269 USD dollar is the currently price of Dogecoin in the market, friends. So what is the next move coming in a Dogecoin? It is clear for us that as I show you the starting the previous last 1 week period of the Dogecoin is positive. So that means that the future is also bright of Dogecoin. Only and only jumps occur in the future of Dogecoin, friends, because the person behind Dogecoin, as you know, Elon Musk, friends. So they can easily hit a $1 dollar and the my friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, friends, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe now and stay connected with us. Thank you so much.